so ran out of recording time. But this is the lock rod, so you can just open or do the locks in there. And this is the open and close rod. Right here, it's a little trickier. Like hook up something to that so we can just not worry about a handle right now. So just like this or something, I don't know, whatever. I think I need a new armrest. I'll have to double check on that. Speaker goes there. I got get all this tied back in. We have to leave it loose because that's how you access bolt hole right there. Oh, you can see that real good. To get the lock back in. This is the handle. And here, the handle's still good. We just need this little lock piece here. And while I'm here, I might as well show you how bad this is. This is all junk. I'm just going to use that big piece of metal I got. And look how bad that hole is. And I don't know. I think I'm going to cut all this and put carpet underneath because it'll act like similar. And then the rubber's kind of starting to go bad, but I'm just going to patch the rubber best we can. And what else needs to be done? This needs to be addressed, that it's still leaking a little bit. There's a couple different options with that. It's kind of looking a little rough. I want to hit it with some Bondo. Hit it with some Bondo. Right now it's got clear silicone on it. Hit it with some Bondo, kind of give it like a lip, and then try and backfill underneath it. Or I was thinking I could get like a piece, like a T-piece, a trim, and kind of carve it all out and then insert that piece in silicone on top, and then I think that's probably a more lasting seal. Most of the top surface held up. It was just the mating system between these two is kind of fucked. So that's kind of where it's leaking down in here and making a mess on here, and I'm kind of thinking that it's probably part of the reason that thing fails every once in a while, which I'm going to look at that at some point. I gotta pull this seat, rock it back, put the amp back underneath, mount it. I want to patch with the Bondo while I have all that open, that hole right there in the middle with Bondo, so I don't have a hole open to the cab anymore. The panel I'll show you that later, whatever. That's enough for now.